Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video we covered about area of circle. So if you haven't watched the video, just find the link on I button. In last video we covered about area of circle where we declared a constant as well. So let's get started with the new program. So in this program we are going to find the greatest number among two numbers. So let's create a program. File, new, and a class, greater number, a class name, yeah. So let's add a main method here, main, and press alt and let's declare integer variables, integer a comma b. So let's declare scanner object to get a user input. Our object is scanner here. We'll use system.in. Next, a is equal to scanner.nextInt, and same, b is equal to scanner.nextInt. We missed our user message, so let's add a user message here, system.out.println, enter first number. Okay, yeah, and same for the next, b, system.out.println, enter second number. Yeah, so now we have two, a and b. Let's add a comparison here. If a is greater than b, means a is big, so we'll add a message here, system.out.println, first number is big. Yeah, and we'll add a else condition here, system.out.println, if the first condition false, it means the second is always true, so we'll add second number is big. Let's try this, run program, and it compiled. Let's add our first number here, 5 and 11. Second number is big. Let's try again for one more time, enter first number, so we'll enter any number here, 12 and 23. Oh, I missed to add, so again the second number is big. Let's try for first number. Now the first number is 23 and second number is 12. Yeah, we received the correct message, first number is big. So in this manner we can find out the greatest among two numbers. If you wanted to increase additional parameter, you can add additional parameters like comma, c, d, and you can add respective conditions as well. So let's try for c as well, third number. So c, and we'll use a system.out.println to show a user message here, enter third number, and we'll use the same manner to get an input, c is equal to scanner.nextInt. Yeah, and the first if we'll add an AND operator, and then a is greater than c, so if both the condition will true, then only it will execute the first statement, and if this first condition are false, we'll check for the second. If b is greater than c, if both the conditions are false, we'll print the third number, so it directly execute the third block, that is else block, so it will display third number is big. Let's try this. Yeah, enter first number, we can enter any number, 12, 21 and 5, so second number is big. Let's try one more time, 12, 31 and 56, so it declared third number is big. So in this manner, if you wanted to increase additional parameter, you can increase. Okay, thanks guys, that's it for now. We'll connect again. Bye bye.